Have you been learning English for months or even years but still hesitate to speak? Do you know English words but don't know how to use them in real conversation? Do you feel nervous whenever someone asks you to speak in English? If your answer is yes, then this challenge is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to a 7-day English speaking challenge. In the next 7 days, I will help you build your English speaking confidence through simple and natural conversation. No difficult grammar, no complicated vocabulary, just real English that you can use every day. Today's topic is talking about your daily routine. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about your everyday activities naturally and confidently. So don't just watch this video. Speak with me, repeat every sentence aloud, pause the video whenever you need, and speak confidently. I will say the red sentence first and then you will say the blue sentence. Let's begin. Good morning. How are you today? I am good. What time do you usually wake up? What do you do after you wake up? Do you exercise in the morning? What do you have for breakfast? After breakfast, what do you do? How do you go there? What do you usually do during the day? What do you usually have for lunch? When do you return home? What do you do after reaching home? Just tell me one thing. Do you watch TV every day? How do you practice English every day? Oh, wonderful. That's a great habit. What time do you usually go to bed? Do you have any plans for tomorrow? Excellent job. If you completed today's conversation, then congratulations, you have taken the first step towards speaking English confidently. Just remember one thing, confidence doesn't come from knowing everything, it comes from practicing every single day. Tomorrow, we will continue with day 2 and learn another real life English conversation. If you really enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Have a wonderful day.